Hey guys, welcome to a quick random repair video. This is more of a tip for people who are Airbnb hosts like myself. This is a tiny little bathroom, and but it's efficient in a small 2-bedroom apartment that I have an Airbnb, and this is the shower. Now I'm just going to go through a quick. Now I've always had 5-star reviews for clean because my places are spotless. And I do not spend a ton of time doing it. And yes, I clean them myself. So this is a video that if you're an Airbnb host, you can set your cleaners up with, or if you don't run cleaners, you can do yourself. So this is quickly how to clean basically any shower, tub shower combination. Now, in between a quick guest where someone stays for one night and they peace out, or this, for example, was 3 nights, but I just did a really good cleaning on this before. This is your typical shower stall. Unfortunately, I had to run a curtain and a liner. I find like the frosted doors are a little bit easier to maintain sometimes, depending on who you are. The clear glass can be tough, but these liners you just replace every few months when they don't clean nice. Now, ideally, your setup, you would have a removable shower head on a wand. Now, that's easiest for cleaning because you can hose this all down. Now, I don't have that luxury because I have a ceiling mounted. This is very, kind of pipes themed Airbnb because it was built sort of in that era. Everything is, the towel holders, and we have a ton of this exposed pipe out here in the hallway and whatnot. So this is the kind of goes with the theme, I suppose, this exposed pipe, and it's just been this way the whole time. I've retiled this, but this was the original shower head. Just came out of there, probably when this was built in the early 1950s. So I can't put a pull down one, but you can get yourself one of these. So one of the other. Obviously, this is a little bit more work, and this is just from Harbor Freight or Princess Auto, whether you're in Canada or US, and this just is like a garden sprayer, and they do a really good job of getting rid of rogue hairs if you don't have a movable shower head. But if you can, get yourself that movable shower head. Now, I'm sorry, I'm getting off topic here. Get yourself one of these commercial sprayer bottles, a scrub brush, a mop. Now, I'm not using a mop in this one because this shower is very clean. So what you do is I mix, this is I buy in gallon jugs of this commercial cleaner that's heavy concentrate, and you just dilute it slightly. And you can open these bottles up where you get a pretty solid spray. See that? Like lots of power. So you can actually loosen up some stuff just by doing that. So what I do is after every guest, even if it's just one night, I spray the whole shower down just quickly with this, and the floor really good. Now the floor is the part you really got to watch, and this is disinfectant and a cleaner in one. So that's about like that. And then I spray the back of the shower curtain. Okay, sorry, I'm doing this a little one-handed. And this shower will come out great. Now, normally, what I will do is you can just run your mop, just a regular sponge mop or D-mop, up and down here quickly, and then rinse it. But because this thing is so clean right now, I'm just doing the disinfectant here. But this brush, I'll quickly scrub the floor. So just grab a brush, and if you have a floor like this, I just give it a really quick scrub. And the nice thing is, if you do these maintenance cleans, this thing will never get away from you. Like, you'll never have to worry about it getting excessively dirty. All right, and that's it. So now what you do is, if you have your, you let it sit for a few minutes and use your spray head and just spray it all down. You'll get rid of all the little rogue hairs. Your shower will be clean. That's really all you have to do. But if you have one of these, you just pump it up and spray it down. Okay, so I'll usually just sit on the floor. Sorry, one-handed again. Usually it only takes about 8 pumps, but it's low on water right now, so. And I just put regular cold tap water in this, and it just sits in my storage room. And this thing gets a really good spray, and we'll get rid of, start from the top. And usually one fill of that thing will clean the shower, I don't know, 3 or 4 times. And then I just do the perimeter of the floor once I get to the bottom of the wall. And this will rinse any of those hairs off the wall that, the shower's otherwise clean. And the floor is properly disinfected and no one's going to find anything sad there. And your guests are safe. So I do this with every single guest, or every single time between guests. And that's it. Once your walls are all sprayed down, sometimes some guests shed more than others and you'll have lots of hair clung to the side. And that's one of the reasons I pick white tile, is it looks clean and it's really, really easy to spot if it's not. So once you spray it all down and you get your shower curtain sprayed down, I just turn on the hot water and I rinse the rest of the center of the floor. And at the same time, you can push your shower curtain in and rinse that really good because hairs can get stuck on that. So again, a hand sprayer would be a lot easier, but bummer for me. And that's all you do. Super fast, super easy. And then, about once a week I take scrub brush and I scrub down all the walls properly, and that keeps the soap scum down and my tiles always look perfectly clean. And this will work on pretty much any kind of surface. Tiles, the scrub brush is good if you have the, acrylic style tubs around. Really all you need is a sponge or a mop. I hope this quick tip helps you in cleaning. And I clean the shower most of the time in about sub 1 minute. Right on. Thanks, guys. Please subscribe for more Airbnb tips coming up, and also the random repair videos you know and love already.